Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to group text message on our Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, open up messages. Now tap on start chat in the bottom right corner. Now tap on create group and then select the people that you would like to send the message to. You can also just type in your phone number and tap here to select it. Then tap on next. You can create a group name if you would like to, but I am not going to that. Then just tap on done, and you can just type in your message as you would usually do. But all of the replies are going to be handled in the individual conversations, and like the members won't see each other. It's just like one message that's being sent to a lot of people rather than a group chat. So that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.